Welcome to Emilak Online Tutorial. And before us is this question, and we are told to calculate how long is the bullet in the air and what is the maximum height reached by the bullet. And we are told that the bullet is fired at an angle of 60 degrees with an initial velocity of 200 meters per second. Alright, now if such bullet is fired and it is being projected this way, now the angle of projection is 60 degrees. Alright, we are told to find now the velocity, initial velocity. Here you have one. Okay, now how long is that? Will be the total time from the travel from here to this point, and we know that the total time with respect to angle of projection is given as this over g. So if we input the parameters into this figure, into this expression rather, we have 2 times 200 times sine 60 degree over 10. So our t becomes 400 times sine 60 should give us 0.866 divided by 10. And if we eliminate this 0 here, we are left with 40 times 0.866, and our total time, if by punching our calculator here, we have 40 times 0.866. So here we have 34.64 seconds. Alright, that's for the time. Okay, alright, now let's get to the maximum height. Now for the maximum height, it means at this point. So for the maximum height, your equation is given as u square sine square theta over 2g. Now if you input the parameters, here you have that h equals to 200 all squared, then sine 60 all squared all over 2 times 10, and this should give us the square of 200 should give us 40000, then times 0.866 all raised to the power of 2 over 20. And if we tend to eliminate this 0, 2 here 1, here we have 2000, right? Okay, now punching our calculator for 2000 times 0.866 all squared should give us let me punch our calculator. So here we have 1499.9. so it is approximately 1500 meters. Alright, so the maximum height, that's the answer for that. Alright, this is the final answers to the questions. And if you love what I've just done, can you subscribe to my YouTube channel and sure you click on the notification button to be notified of all my videos. Thank you and God bless you.